So when you hear the word real estate, what comes to your mind? Now, for many people, when they hear real estate, they start thinking about buying and selling of land. But real estate is more than that. So when we say real estate is property made up of land and everything that is permanently attached to it. So real estate can include a building, it can include a office space, it can include a factory, it can include a warehouse, it can even be natural resources. So if you have a land that has natural resources, for example, that has gold and things like that, that's also real estate, right? Even the trees on the land are part of the real estate. So in simple terms, if it is part of the land and can't be removed without changing or damaging it, then it is real estate. So real estate is not just the land. Everything on the land as well is part of what is part of real estate. So when you have a residential home, it's real estate. If you have a commercial place, maybe you have a plaza, it's real estate. Maybe you have a block of apartments, so you build apartments in blocks. That is also real estate. A warehouse is also regarded as real estate. Even an event center is real estate. So it's not just about the empty plot of land. Everything attached to that land, everything connected to that land is also part of what real estate. So understanding this changes how you see real estate. So you understand that it's not just about buying a plot of land. Now it's also about the value that land is producing. Is it providing homes for people, shelter for people? Is it supporting businesses? Is it generating income? The value that this land produces is also attached to what we call real estate. Now this is where it gets very interesting, understanding the fact that it's not just about the plot of land, but everything connected to it also is part of real estate. In our next video, we'll be talking about why some lands are sold at cheaper price and then some other properties are worth millions. See you in the next video. Bye for now.